This video tutorial I will cover Spring Bean configuration for inheritance. Here I have defined a class employee. It has three properties: ID, name, and country name, and getter and setter methods for these three properties. Here I have overridden toString method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates employee 1 bean and set ID value as 32 and name value as Peter. Parent bean of employee 1 bean is base employee Japan bean. So country name of employee 1 bean will be set as Japan. Then Spring container creates employee 2 bean and set ID value as 33 and name value as John. Parent bean of employee 2 bean is base employee Japan bean. So country name of employee 2 bean will be set as Japan. This base employee Japan bean we have marked as abstract, so we cannot instantiate it, and it acts as a template. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee 1 object from Spring container and displaying employee 1 object. And here you can see the output, and country name property value is inherited from base bean. Then again I am calling getBean method of application context object and getting employee 2 object from Spring container and displaying employee 2 object. And here you can see the output, and country name property value is inherited from base bean.